Ndagwa Kirimi Mbogo ndi wakili area ya Meru. Kandeja ngukuri na kesi ya certificate of agency ndeja ndethira kuma igoro kinyora tura fairaga chia certificates nirakanirwe. Essentially court is on almost total lockdown. The notice yake twambiri au ati mbere any action yoyote thithio turingire executive officer wa court na unfortunately rabo kumenya court is bari ja muntu mo kwa essentially gutingo gitukurita thaiji. Well kinya kethira tukugwata imwe information ni mbega ati kumegoro ya presiding judge wetu Justice Mabea rejire na aja ne directions anto bari nchera chietu nonto they are really congested. Batigerie rungu rwa miaka ethatu trial courts consider kubarekia kinya kethira bara bakuthirku batigerie rungu rwa miaka ethatu ne anto batiba issues chia mada kuragana mada manslaughter yu gutikurakua na issues chia crimes against morality rape defilement yu itikurakua ende bau bange kesi yu ingi bara batigerie miaka less than 3 years bakurekerua. Well ndi wakili nkombo imparaburu kuma mwaka jwa 1996 nkuthiria university ntarokire gitaringi ntije narange tarunene but kuma last week I don't know where to go the following morning rojo ntije ngetana ntije ngetana was still kuma nkwambiria kuritango gutiringi ndakarante kuthuguma so ninkwigua ukebo kundinga ngwitikiria na ndi ngwitikiria nkuthina indi na thina ikario au tugo support thirikari ya Kenya full 100% boy bwendere tukachiumia na thina chietu indi lockdown ni endere mwanka tumbe kuchinda murimo jojo wa coronavirus na nibwega kairi kinya thirikari uira ingire kinya makanisa nonto baba inge beto ituroragia nige kanisa chio igotigwa na neo thine nene umba kwijira we are happy tikabara bago support kanisa ingwe batiendete murungu twendete murungu muno indi itikagia murungu no katheka nkamireku ni umwarabu augire nonto othekire nkamire tiura no tuko kethira no endete murunga no timwendete indi okarea kumitheka mbitikie gaura so kinya Kristo kinya ma reverend jauja kwaria mbaya bathuganie bwega bathuganie tanto murungu te takurwe kugo gacekithio ro kumena kana okamita itira riro kwenda. That's a very different being. Na tukamutesti na issue ya coronavirus kiria kigatuma tuchinde coronavirus o amwe twina maromba bara barombaga ni kuthingatiria mawatho jauja Ministry of Health. Ripple effects chia lockdown yeje ni extremely severe na serious. Thirikari ni thoganie economic package ire thoganiria antu ba Kenya nonto manto ijathukire kwa ndi murimi in the last 2.5 years nda establishaga plantations chia miraa na chia avocado ntwire na workforce ya antu about 50. On Thursday last week nda force kire ko release yanto 42. Those are people who are my friends, they are people with families. Now inquire wa ni nene better. They'll be a little desperate. Whatever income they were getting from my ventures niratethagiria family chiao. Na tekwenda gwakwa kabisa ndathithirie unkigo kurira indi kinya gwakwa kwina problem ntiumba ko ba feed ntiumba ko bare michara yao no ntokinya gwakwa I am facing a similar problem. For once in my life I have to think seriously about what my family will eat tomorrow. But when all is said and done, no katuga support Uhuru Kenyatta na thirikari yewe tumbe kuruga virus yenu nto nayo kinya twaria manto maingi kinya ngoge itu kwariria tutumba kwirita tukwite kana ana beto bakwite so ne ukasa tu kutibungi.